Welcome to the 90 Days Millionaire Challenge. This is the 5-minute speech. So, 5 minuto lang ng time ninyo po ang kailangan ko. I will explain to you how are you going to attain the 1.2 million income in 90 days from zero to your first million peso business. So, ito po ay napakasimpleng idea lang. Proven system po ito na pwede nyong gawin. And it's up to you at the end if you're going to take the challenge or not. Okay? So first of all, pakilala po muna ako. My name is Jeffrey Perez. I have been doing this for 20 years. I'm a digital marketing expert. 11 years consecutive top 1 earner po ng isang company called Essensa. And Hall of Famer, Founders Club in Essensa. Multiple Car Achiever Awardee, Multiple Travel Achiever Awardee, House Achiever, Condominium Achiever, and lahat na po. No? Lahat ng pwedeng ma-achieve sa isang company na achieve na po natin. At tinawag po nila ako Millionaire Maker at pinuno sa aking community. Okay? So dito po, no, ito po yung aking mga humble achievements. I've already earned 8-digit income sa isang account pa lang. And ito po, nakabili po ako ng bahay, ng mga kotse, mga condominium. But this video is not for me. This is for you, guys, no? At marami naman po akong mga estudyante na natulungan na mabago ang kanilang mga buhay because of my teachings. Okay? So ito na po. Ang bagong opportunity, walang katulad po ito. It's very unique. It's a pioneering opportunity. Ito na ang card na magpapayaman sa iyo this 2026. Okay? So, simple but powerful. So, dito po, meron po tayong tinatawag na roadmap to success. No? Dahil po ito po ay may incentive program, di ba? We will take advantage of the incentive program. So, dito po, pag na-hit mo yung first 100K, wherein ituturo ko po sa inyo paano ma-hit yung first 100K na yan sa training na ito, no? You will be rewarded with an iPhone 17 or a MacBook Pro, no? Second milestone is a 250K earner, di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng reward na 100K shopping, yan. And the 500K earner, 300K shopping ng luxury. And ito po pinaka-goal natin, ma-hit itong 1 million earner in 90 days, no? So, meron kang libreng kotse or libreng Rolex. Okay? So, ito po, ito naman po ay libreng video, di ba? If you think hina-hype po kayo or you think this is not applicable for you, just don't engage. But if you think you can do this, di ba? Let's work together. Okay? So, ito po yung transformation. Ito lang po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. What if in 90 days, pwede mag-transform ang buhay mo? Are you willing to do whatever it takes? No? So kahit sino ka pa, kahit wala kang credentials, wala kang background, hindi ka nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, kahit simpleng tao ka lang, ito yung tsura mo, nakasinyelas, nasa simpleng bahay lang. In 90 days, you can achieve this transformation. May bago kang kotse, fully paid, may MacBook ka, naka-Louis Vuitton ka, lahat po in 90 days. And it's up to you at the end, no, if you're going to take the risk and the challenge. Okay? Dito po, we only have one goal. Pare-pares tayo ng goal dito. And you only need to accomplish one task. Yun po yung pinakamaganda dito. Isa lang yung kailangan mong gawin. And then you're on your way into earning the 1.2 million income in just 90 days. Okay? Simpleng konsepto lang po ito. Ang kagandahan dito, ang entry po dito ay 2,000 pesos. Okay? Ang produkto po natin, mayroon po tayong tinatawag na Neo AI Business Digitalization. So, makakakuha ka ng card, no? Makakakuha ka ng card na kung saan may website ka, meron ka rin pong AI assistant, 'di ba? Tapos may mga kung ano-ano ka pang matututunan dito. Okay? But kumbaga ito po, hindi po ito conflict sa kahit anong business opportunity, no? Wala siyang ibebentang mga supplements, wala siyang ibebentang mga kape, stem cell, anything like that. This is pure technology business. So, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, kahit nasa lugar ka kasi nga online digital opportunity po ito. Okay? So, ano yung task? Ang task po napakasimple lang. You only need to find 2 people to join. Okay? Dalawa lang po, no? Dalawa lang po, no? Halimbawa, first person mo is a real estate agent, kailangan niya ng card. Or second person mo naman is a life insurance agent, kailangan niya ng card, no? Meron po tayong separate video for the product knowledge. Pero ito po, simple lang po yung produkto natin dito. Neo card lang. So, ang task mo dito is you only need to find 2 people na may 2,000 pesos. Very simple lang po, di ba? Ngayon, no? Para kanino ba si Neo AI? Para po ito sa mga negosyante na kailangan ng branding, kailangan ng website, kailangan ng mga AI, di ba? For business owners, network marketers, insurance agents, real estate agents, freelancers, coaches, small business owners, basically everyone, guys, no? So, kumbaga ito, digital business siya, technology business na kung saan tumutulong tayo sa mga entrepreneurs na magkaroon sila ng branding, website at AI. Okay? So, on your first week, guys, no? In your first 7 days, we will help you to accomplish your task. No, ako po, napakasimple lang po ng aking script. Sinasabi ko sa mga taong gustong mag-engage sa ganito, sabi ko, bro, meron akong bagong program in 90 days, pwedeng kumita lang milyon. Are you in or are you out? Okay? So, pag nakuha mo na yung dalawang tao mo, you will earn 200 per head plus 300 match bonus. Your total income would be 700. That would be your task, no? Single task lang siya, then tapos ka na. Diba? Week 1, accomplish your 2. Ganun lang po kasimple. And then on the second week is to help your 2 get their 2. So, wag ka muna magdedirect ng pangatlo, pang-apat, ganyan. Kailangan mo lang tulungan yung dalawa mo makakuha ng dalawa. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple itong challenge na to. Power of 2 lang. Pag nagawa mo yun on your first month, di ba? This is you, nakakuha ka ng dalawa on your first week, 700 na kinita mo. Second week, 4, di ba? 600. Tapos third week, 8, di ba? Yung 4, nakakuha ng tigalawa, 8, 1, 2, then 16, 2, 4. Ang total income mo for the first month would be 4,900 pesos. Napakasimple lang po ng idea, di ba? Napakamura lang po ng entry. Kayang-kaya ng kahit sino. Ito malupit. On the second month, if you establish that culture of getting 2 people, di ba? On the second month, ang cheque mo, ang commission mo, 72,000 pesos income. Okay? Very powerful, guys, di ba? So, what can your 2,000 do? What can your, saan naabot ang 2,000 pesos mo? Malayo. Pangalawang buwan pa lang, 72,000 income ka na agad. Okay? Ito, here's where the magic happens. On the 9th week, di ba? 8th week dito. On the 9th week, guys, no? First milestone mo na, hit mo na yung first milestone mo. Your total income would be 148,000 pesos, no? So, ma-awardan ka na ng first milestone na incentives, which is MacBook Pro. No? 9th week yan, kumbaga, first week ng 3rd month. Okay? 9th week pa lang, guys, may 148,000 ka na. Okay? On the 10th week, di ba? You will gain momentum plus leverage. Second milestone natin, ang total income mo dito, 300,000 pesos. So, hit mo na yung 250 milestone. Ipag-shopping ka pa ng company worth 100,000 pesos sa mga pang-dress up mo. Bili ka ng mga Lacoste, ng mga Fred Perry, mga Boss, up to 100,000 pesos. Bili ka ng mga coat, mga sapatos, di ba? Para magbago yung branding mo. Okay? So, kagandahan dyan, hindi mo pa nauubos yung income mo on the 10th week. Hindi mo pa na-open lahat ng pinag-shopping mo on the 11th week. No? Ipag-shopping ka naman po ng company ng worth 300,000 sa mga luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dior. Ang total income mo on the 11th week is 600,000 pesos. Okay? Very simple po, ha? This is a proven marketing plan, so hindi nyo na kailangan pantanungin kung paano nyo yan. All you have to do is to focus your mind into the task. Okay? And on the 12th week, okay, 90 days, 3 months, dalawa-dalawa lang po. Congratulations. Your total income would be 1.2 million plus a fully paid BYD car. No? Wala pong hype po ito, di ba? It begins with the 2,000 pesos para ka lang nang sumali ng paluwagan. Hanap ka ng dalawa, tulungan mo yung dalawa makadalawa, and that's it. Okay? So, kagandahan dito, talagang hatakan po ito pataas. No? Lahat aangat dito kasi pag na-hit mo na yung BYD car mo plus yung 1.2 million, yung unang dalawang naniwala sa'yo will be achieving their naka-LB na rin sila. And they earn 600,000 na rin. Tapos yung 4 sa likod, naka-Lacoste na rin sila, naka-Fred Perry. At yung 8 sa likod, naka-MacBook na rin. And the cycle goes on. Okay? So the power of 2 is very powerful. This is only 5-10 minutes. 10 minutes speech lang po ito. Now, if you are interested, you can message me or you can sign up directly by clicking the link below. So, ano pang inaantay mo, guys? Usap tayo, di ba? This is a proven system. Kailangan lang natin talaga dito ng commitment at tapusin talaga yung mga tasks na kailangan gawin. So, yun lang, guys. Click the link below to sign up and let's do the challenge.